Look, I run into
Marco.
Marco.
My Instagram is Just Fishing. And yeah, it's called Just Fishing. I'm here. I seen the teacher.
And now you're here.
I'm here with the
Merry
teacher.
Christmas.
I'm only here because of you guys. Just
Where are you
to
going to be fishing at?
I'm thinking I'm going down to the right.
Okay. I'll probably go to the right too.
I've seen some people already there. I don't know if they're I know you guys have like a little group of friends. They might be here already.
I don't know, but you could always go and greeting them and see if they could share the spot. If they don't, you could walk to the left-hand side on the sand and fish around that area.
Yeah, because I got the waders. I'm going to go inside.
Okay, yeah. I mean, I don't think all fishermen are greedy, so just be nice. Question, can I fish near you? If you're not, then move to the left-hand side. There's open space. Or if they don't let you in, you go to the right straight where we were the other day.
Yeah, I see you guys were there at a new spot.
Okay, but it's a little snack, but you know, just check it out, you know?
Yeah.
I showed a video from the high tide to the low tide, so you kind of more estimate it out, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right now it's going to go down pretty soon, huh?
Yeah, but it's going to be a long time. So it was nice seeing you, though.
Yeah, nice
and
meeting you too. Thank you so
you.
much. And you guys, you guys be kicking butt.
Tell the people
They be kicking butt. I don't care what you say. The teacher is undefeated.
Tell them to follow and subscribe.
Follow and subscribe. Follow and subscribe. The best channel around.
I share, but I don't ask for it. But if you guys do it from your heart, that's a bless.
Yeah, I'm already subscribed.
I'm
already subscribed. I watch all the videos. The only reason I'm here is because of you guys.
Thank you so much.
So we're going to give it a good try.
Okay, good luck to you.
Thank you,
okay,
you
Merry
too.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Hey, this is
What's
our
up,
Christmas
teacher?
Teacher. Sorry, ma'am.
Let me take a picture with the teacher. I got to show my brothers.
Sorry, ma'am. He have to show. No, because we share the fishing location to most of the fishermen. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Aron susay po my balkon. Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas Day, and we're out here fishing as usual. Nothing new. Say good morning.
Good morning. Merry Christmas.
I put high worms on mine and it shake non-stop. I believe it's a jack smelt or maybe a striped bass, the baby striped bass. Today is king tide, 7.1, and the sand beach part right there, there's a lot of people already. I don't know who they are, but I know I bumped into one of the YouTube fans. He went to greeting us at the parking lot. That's the only one I know. The rest I don't. Share. I'm here at the left-hand side, walking towards the tree to here. It's close, then to the sand beach. So let's see. I'm cleaning up my high worms, but keep getting the shake non-stop. Let's see if I have any luck on that on the high tide. And it's gonna be about to go low, outgoing tide soon, around 11. King tide 7.1 at 10:30. After I shut off my camera, teacher have action. Just a first alarm shaker. Nothing new. Nothing new. But you got him jumping though. Look at my leftover bait. So it's a cold season. Hot worms last long. Not like the hot season. Try to the right now. Earlier I tried to the left. Got a lot of shaker but didn't hook on. Now I go to the right. Let's see what is hook on this time. I want to see some perch. If it's not, jack smells fine beside the stingray and the shark, the leopard shark. Those two species can come on. Halibut will be fine too. Flounder. I mean, powworms is good for all that species, but I don't ask for rays or leopard shark. That one, stay away. This powworm shake non-stop, and I did pull in a shaker of about 14 inches. Look at the view of the background. Oh my god! Nè, cầm lên.
Mà to.
Nè, móc cây con tàu.
Được hả? Bỏ cái ngon này mà. Rộp đáng.
Same size earlier.
Rộp. Chứ mấy cái kìa.
Right there.
Quay lọt này mà.
I don't know. Watson.
Let's go.
It has to be 18 inches. 18 and a half.
Yeah, almost 19.
See? 18 and a half right here. See it? And the tip is right here. Okay.
Almost 19.
Yeah, almost 19. Skinny, but it's a keeper. It has to be 18 inches.
Vâng,បងប្អូនព្រៃកប់ចិញ្ចឹមពោះវែងឡើងហ្នឹងកុំចេះតែហ៊ានផ្ដេសផ្ដាស ខ្ញុំនិយាយលេងឯងព្រៃវាដើរអីសង្ស័យមើលទៅថាស្ដុកប៉ុណ្ណានៅក្នុងហ្នឹងមានអីផ្លូវឡើងរវាមដូចផ្លូវចលែនអញ្ចឹងប៉ុន្តែមើលចេះទៅដូចព្រៃគប់គេចាប់ទៅអីចឹងតាមពិតអត់ទេដើរមកជូនឡើងលេងតែពេលយប់ទេអត់មានមនុស្សដើរពេលថ្ងៃមនុស្សពេញហ្នឹងពេញព្រៃហ្នឹងដើរអីសង្ស័យស្ពៀតមកវេទៅស្ពៀត
No. Just one. This is my first
$13 a dozen. $13 a dozen.
No, 12,
Oh,
12, 12.
1 dozen.
12 bait. 12 of this
Well,
bait. 12 of this worms is $13.
Yeah.
I have to concern. See? I saved this for my next. Look. I saved this tail for next added up.
You don't know how to press out. Check it out.
Oh my God, I did not record earlier? Oh my gosh, did I not record? I didn't think I record you in, bong. Because judge mơ tao khơi telephone not đá. Rồi có mau bị lại rớt tao mơ nó bạc đấng. I'll double check. Tiếng tôi trắng.
$19.
19? Good. Okay. If I didn't record you in, I'm sorry, but at least I showed that you got in. Okay? It does matter. Okay. Okay. Don't cast this way. Don't. Are you reeling in or not yet? Okay, stay. Cause I know, right here. Okay. Oh, anh ấy xin đẩy mình. Còn mù mất rồi, đánh khăm cướp vô mỏng. Wow, did you see that? I was just catching my bait, right? And then all of a sudden it was just chasing. That's how the lure go, I guess. Because when I reel it in, all of a sudden it snapped it off my hand. So now go lower for your luck.
Yo. Hello, bố tôi. Riêng say Alan. Merry Christmas. Riêng say ơi, look at your sister. Thôi, con nói. Yeah. Lôi. Cột phát á. Cột. 29 bận. Lạ hay.
I don't know. Don't look like a keeper. But sana.
They said it tastes better the smaller, huh?
Yeah, everything.
Lọc.
At all.
Well, you don't want like a
See,
huge
thấy nè.
fish.
Even.
No, they say you're not gonna-
Trầm về mày đã. Okay. It's exactly 18, guy. So wait and see. Why it's not fighting?
Still there.
Do you got off?
No, nó mua lươn đó nó. Dạ, đâm nó về thâu. Mua lươn nó là thâu mua riêng nó lươn. Yeah. Big or small, we don't know. You know the salty car wheel, you know, the old style like that. See? Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, yeah. Keeper. Yep.
Cheaper?
Yep.
That's about 20.
No.
Yeah. 19, 20.
Around 18 and a half to 19.
I believe 19 or 20 this one. Like you said, you know.
Hey, look at how lucky. It didn't hit on the mouth.
Oh man.
Look where it hit.
Maybe,
Yeah.
maybe they hit, you know, the case.
No, look.
Yeah.
You know, I was seeing something that they say that stripers sometimes they hit their food.
Oh.
They hit it.
Oh, okay.
Bam.
That's the reason why.
I see, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I got hooked on the head now.
Now you say hi to your brother.
Hey, what's up, Fernando? And my daughter Chana, she loves you guys too.
Ah, thank you.
Thank you guys, man. You guys are awesome.
Poor guy. Okay. Drop high.
Yeah. Đặt riết nữa.
Limit.
Nice.
Đó.
See? Oh, here. That's my bait. Look. Stingy
Yeah.
bait. Stingy bait. One
Yeah.
worms, I get 2 bait. And you see it. That's how I put my bait.
That's why, you know, next time you buy when you come here, you buy the pile worm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got 2 big ones like this. I have 2 big
Good,
ones.
good, yeah.
Because I go do it in the surf.
Oh, yeah?
Oh,
In the
okay.
ocean, in the surf, I do
Okay.
surf fishing
Yeah.
too.
Right here. Limit.
Yeah.
Limit. There. And this one, I guarantee is a keeper already. Right here. 19.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get the
Fat.
you know mine.
No, over there. Maybe 19 or 20, I think, this one. Well, what do you think?
I say 1920.
Yeah.
Okay. 19.
19. That's
Remember?
okay.
See?
Yeah, 19.
19 and a quarter. Yeah.
That's okay. That's good.
Keeper.
Yeah.
I'm done for the day. And
Yeah.
that's it.
Now show how on country.
Easy money, huh?
Easy food.
Why don't you be in the picture with him?
Yeah, I'll be in a picture with
Okay.
Since I'm not
Hold
the
the fish.
teacher, I don't have to be special.
Hold the fish now.
Hold the fish. I'll hold 2.
Hey, you know what?
Yeah.
Let's face it towards
You
the
wanna hold
water.
the big one? Hold the big.
It's okay.
Face towards the water, much clearer. It's not bright.
You stand right here.
You too tall, you stand.
You stand right here. Yeah, take care right here.
There you go. So, okay, you good now?
Good.
Yeah.
I'm done for my day.
Yep.
Yeah. Good stuff, you guys.
Point Pinot, Atlas Road, never let us down, but sometimes skunk.
Does the small one taste better than the big one?
Yes.
Yeah.
The meat is more juicier.
19, 20, 21. I mean, 18 up to 22. That's
Okay, close my clip and say goodbye.
Okay.
Bye, you guys.
Bye. Happy holiday.
Happy
Today
holidays.
is Merry
Merry
Christmas
Christmas.
Day. Thanks. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too, both of you. Great
Thank
people.
you. And thanks to your family for the like and support us.
Yep.
Thank you.
We always
Happy holiday,
support.
everyone.
Bye-bye.
I know I will be back before New Year. Marco is pulling in because we're about to go home, but he tried our rod. So he have luck. Look crew.
Okay, come
How do you feel, Marco?
Oh, this is a beautiful rod.
Yeah. Include the reels too. He tested out and then he got the action.
1800. It's like it's jumping, you see?
And where? Easy. Don't drag that way. Don't. Ooh! Woo! It did. Slow down and walk backward. Walk backward. Marco, what do you want to say to your brother?
Thank you for the teacher. Thank you to the teacher.
We cleaned up and he's over there got action. I closed my clip already, right? Come on. See, that's how fast the action, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
18 plus this one 550.
Oh man.
Okay.
Daiwa.
Daiwa? No, that's not. Oh, the real is Daiwa. Yes.
Yeah, the reels of Daiwa.
How smooth? How smooth? How smooth?
It's awesome. This is great right here. This is a beautiful rod.
And
awesome.
that's a Japan's rod right there.
Awesome.
That's Yuki.
From UK.
You see the name Yuki? It's from Japan.
Yuki.
Yes, you could Google it up.
Right now they don't make
You need one that says master. Teacher.
Okay, now let's close the clip for real. Since you got the good action already.
Thank you guys. Thank
Bye-bye.
you so much. It was an honor.
Okay, you goodbye. Look at this. Here is my striped bass head soup with daikons. I got the head right here with the daikons and the bone, the body bone, and the liver. See it? The liver's right here and the eggs. So I have it down with the bito. So the liver got the bito, so I break down and make it a little bitter into the soup. And I cut the whole roots of daikon to make a soup. So it's gonna be the head soup with daikons. There we go. Does it look good? Nothing go to waste. The meat make the ceviche, or I should say the Asian lap, and the body, the bone, the head, and the livers, the eggs turn into soup. Very healthy, especially the liver is the omega-3, and the eggs. I bet it's pretty good too. See, it's boiling. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. And I got the rice right here. See? Steaming right now. Almost done too. Just sharing some videos of my catch that I got the food, and this is how I show. Making different dishes all the time. This is the head soup. It's not sour, just a regular soup for the warm winter.